The battle continues over Texas's new law requiring the Ten Commandments be displayed in all public school classrooms.
A new lawsuit has been filed to stop it from happening, and legal experts say this case could go all the way to the Supreme Court.
Our Pooja Lodi is live to explain what all of it means for you. And Pooja, should families expect these displays in schools?
Well, the short answer to that is it really does depend. It depends what school district your child attends, and it depends on whether or not their district has been listed in one of these lawsuits. Texas law requires the Ten Commandments be displayed on posters sized at least 16 by 20 inches in all public school classrooms.
Public schools are not Sunday schools. They're not the place to teach children religion.
Alex Luchenitzer is the Associate Vice President and Legal Director of Americans United for Separation of Church and State. His group, along with other families and religious liberty groups, just filed a lawsuit against 14 school districts, including Conroe ISD, seeking to at least temporarily stop them from putting up the displays. This comes after a federal judge last month blocked the law for 11 districts, including HISD, that were named in a similar lawsuit. Meanwhile, the Attorney General has directed other districts that have not been named in lawsuits at this time to comply with the law. Pearland ISD recently notified parents the district will be putting up displays soon. University of Houston law professor Johnny Rex Buckles says we can expect even more lawsuits.
The thinking is that because the United States Supreme Court has recently abandoned a test that its prior decision relied on in favor of a test that looks more at history and tradition, that perhaps the Supreme Court would rule differently on essentially the same facts now.
Buckles calls this a test case for the Supreme Court.
It has already come down that the Louisiana law is unconstitutional. So it's conceivable that this case, or a case from another state, could reach the Supreme Court more quickly than it often does, just because there are many cases in the pike.
Now, we did reach out to Attorney General Ken Paxton, but we didn't hear back today. He has, though, said in the past that displaying the Ten Commandments is important because it shows children the importance of their heritage. Reporting live, Pooja Lodi, ABC 13 Eyewitness News.